Welcome back. Once again, we have another booster pack opening. Hopefully we get lucky. I forgot how many we have so far. We've gotten lucky in the last ones, at least the ones I've posted. Pretty soon I'm going to start opening that one right there, which is first edition Team Rocket booster box. I was undecided on what to do with it, sell it, keep it, store it for the future. I think I'm just gonna end up opening it and hopefully we get lucky. Oop, I forgot. 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be a Charizard. First off, the trainer card. Full heal. Second, Kadabra. Third, Pokemon Center. Starmie. Ghastly. Caterpie. Pikachu. We've gotten a couple of these. Poliwag. Water Energy. Psychic Energy. And here comes Raichu again. Zapdos. So we got a Zapdos. Beautiful card. So once again, we got lucky. We got another holo. So this video will get posted on YouTube. Like my video, recommend it. Hopefully we will get to 100 views. Pretty soon I'm gonna start doing some giveaways, start giving away some of those packs that just fell. Some Neo Destiny, maybe some Team Rocket booster packs, and some random cards. Well, thanks for watching and subscribe and recommend me to everyone. Thanks.